Can I get a copy of my tax return from the IRS on TurboTax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. You have two options when requesting a copy of a tax return you filed with the IRS. You can request a free transcript or order an exact copy for $50. Your free tax return transcript shows most line items from your original return. Transcripts are available for the current and past 3 tax years. Most lenders will accept transcripts instead of exact copies. An exact copy of your return shows all line items and includes all other attachments. Exact copies are available for the current and past 6 tax years. To request a free transcript, visit irs.gov, select Get Your Tax Record, and click Get a Tax Transcript by Mail. To get an exact copy of your return for $50, fill out the IRS Form 4506 and follow the mailing instructions on the form. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.